Hi, this is Suvir from the Apranova team. Apranova is more than a learning platform. It's professional, AI-powered ecosystem built for real-world innovation. It brings students, developers, and working professionals into one space where learning doesn't stop at theory. Instead of just explaining concepts, Apranova creates environments where ideas become working solutions. With live mentorship and an integrated AI-powered practice engine, users can code, test, debug, and deploy instantly in a real browser-based runtime. There are no simulations and no complicated setup. The tools reflect actual production environment. So what you build here prepares you for what you will face outside. Apranova is designed for execution. You can build prototypes, experiment with scalable architecture, solve structured challenges aligned with real market expectations, AI-driven insights and milestone tracking, and project-based learning. Ensure continuous improvement, not passive consumption. From syntax mastery and debugging labs to real database queries and full project execution, every task is shaped by industry experience and enhanced by intelligent feedback. The goal is simple: practical skills that are job-ready and client-ready. And learning is only the beginning. After demonstrating your capabilities through structured projects, you move into real collaboration. Apranova connects user to live client-based freelance work, giving industry exposure even before stepping into a full-time role. Apranova is not just structured education, it's intelligent practice, it's real execution, it's professional growth aligned with today's market demand. Apranova, where skills evolve into real-world impact.